Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and hello Ma'am Nurmala Dewi MPD as a lecturer of Basic English courses. Here I'm Sandra Olivia from Management Class 1D with name 6424128 will give my opinion about smoking on campus. In my opinion, smoking on campus is a habit that can have a negative impact on the academic environment and everyone's health. The campus is a place of learning that should support a healthy and productive lifestyle. So, smoking in the campus area can disturb other students, especially those who don't smoke. Cigarette smoke can also pollute the air, interfere with concentration, and trigger health problems, especially for those with respiratory problems. Implementing a no smoking rule on campus or providing designated smoking areas might be a solution. This can maintain mutual comfort and health without completely prohibiting the habit of those who smoke. In this way, the campus environment can remain conducive to learning and provide a good example for all students. Next, I will explain the material that I want to explain, namely about the question words. Here I will explain the material while reading the PPT from the laptop, so forgive me if my eyes are not focused forward. The question words. This is my name, class, and my name. Okay, my name is Maya Sandra Olivia. I'm from Management, class 1D, and my name is 6424128. Then here I will discuss about what is the question words, when to use question words, what are the types of question words, function, and what are some examples. And the last is conclusion. Next, this is definition the question words. What are question words? The question words or interrogativa are words used to ask questions in English. Question words are usually used at the beginning of a sentence. So, question words are for asking question in English. Then here, when to use question words. We will use question words when you want to ask someone according to the context of the sentence you want to ask. Question words make the other person know how to respond. So, these question words will be used often by us and also to ask someone questions. Then here are the types, function, and example of question words. There are 9 types of question words. I will explain them one by one. Types 1. What? Function. To ask someone about something related to someone. Example, what is your favorite food? Or, what is your name? Types 2 is where. Function, to ask a person, place, or location. Example, where is the library? Or, where are you from? Types 3, when. Function, to ask time or the time period during which an event occurs. Example, when is your birthday? Or, when can you come? Types 4, why. Function, to ask about the reasons or purpose behind an event or action. Example, why did you miss the meeting? Or, why are you late? And others. Types 5 is which. Function, to export a question from several options. Example, which color do you prefer? Red or blue? Or which book is it? Or others. And type 6 is who. Function, to ask about people involved in an event. Example, who is your best friend? Types 7. Whom. Function, to ask about the person who is the object of a sentence. Example, whom did you invite to the party? Or whom did you meet? And types 8. Whose. Function, to ask about ownership or who owns an item. Example, whose book is this? Or others. And the last is type 9. How. Function, to ask about the way or process by which an event or action is carried out. Example, how do you learn English? How do you do? How are you? How this is divided into many can be how far, how old, how many, how much, and others. After that, the last one is the conclusion. So, the conclusion is question words are very important for everyone who learns English to know. Why? Because this is often used in communication. When we want to ask something or maybe don't understand something, we will probably ask more often than say it. That's why question words are very important to know. So, that's the material I explained about the question words. Sorry if there are any wrong words. Thank you.